In this video I will explaining you on how to boost up your computer.
First step. Disable some key services. They will help you reduce hard drive uses. These are 3 services. It will disable and almost every order system will be executed. Okay, first things. Type services into the Windows search bar. And go ahead, open Services app. And from here services look for Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Go to scroll down, it is here. Double click on that. Change startup type automatically to disabled. And click Stop button. And here click on Apply tab and press OK. Now move to the next service. Scroll down and looking for service name, Sysmin. Double click on that. Change type automatically to disabled. Hit on Start button. Click Apply, and click on OK. Now look on the next one. Scroll down to Windows Search, Service. And hear it. Double click on that. Change type automatically to disabled. Hit Stop tab and click on Apply and OK. Second step. Change the power profile in Windows 10 11th. Type Control Panel on search bar. Click on Control Panel Apps. Change to View category by small icon. Click on Power option. Click Create a Power Plan. And choose on High Performance. And type a name of your plan. And go ahead next. And click on Create. Third step. Just update your Windows. How to this? Right-click on Start menu. Click on Settings. Click on Windows Update. Click on Check of Update. Restart your PC once update done. Restart your PC once update done. Fourth step. Now move on the next step. Only for SATA hard disk user. Right-click on Start menu. Click on Device Manager. From Device Manager, click on ID Controller and pick up Standard SATA Controller. Click on Details. Under Property drop-down menu select Device Instance Path. Copy this path by right-click and press OK. Open Notepad and paste here for remember later use. Next open Registry Editor. Type regedit on search bar. Click on Registry Editor app. And click Yes. Go to HKEY Local Machine. System. Current control set. Enum. PIC. And copy. Here press Ctrl F. And paste last part of SATA hard disk path. Click on it. Click on Device Parameters. Click on Interrupt Management. Click on Massage Signaled Interrupt Properties. MSI supported. Open this one and change value to 0. Actually disable to MSI support drive. Restart your computer. You will see dramatically drop your hard disk uses. 5th step. Enable all CPU cores Windows 10 and Windows 11 for boost computer performance. Type msconfig into the Windows search bar and open it. Go to the Boot tab and press Advanced Options. Ensure that the Number of Processors box is checked. Select the number of cores you like. Then press OK and apply. Sixth step. Clean template and junk files. Type %temp% into the Windows search bar. Press Ctrl A to select all files and hit Delete key. Seventh step. Disk Cleanup. Type Disk Cleanup into the Windows search bar. Double-click on Disk Cleanup app. Select Drive Letter. Then click on OK. Select all and click on OK. And hit on Delete File tab. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I also request to subscribe my channel to get similar kind of videos in future.